Which parts of of our body are made up only of muscles? Now that you must have given a thought, you must have understood heart, blood vessels, the diaphragm that is present between the thoracic and abdominal cavity, and the uterus in the female body. They are entirely made up of muscles. Types of muscles you can see here in the picture, the muscles in the human body. According to functions, muscles are of two types, voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary muscles are the muscles that work under our will. Okay, so these are the muscles that help in the movement of hands and legs. Involuntary muscles, these are the muscles that do not work under our will. So some vital processes like breathing, blood circulation, digestion are essential for life, and they are not under our control or will. Example, muscles of stomach, intestine, etc. are involuntary muscles. Then according to structure, muscles are of three types: skeletal muscles, heart or cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles are attached to the skeleton and they hold the bones, and hence they are called as skeletal muscles. They give shape to a body, they are voluntary in function. Example, muscles of the arms and legs. Cardiac or heart muscles, as the name suggests, they form the heart wall and they bring about continuous contraction and relaxation of the heart. This is known as the beating of heart, which is involuntary. You know that in 1 minute heart beats about 70 times. Smooth muscles, these are involuntary muscles which are present in the internal vital organs other than the heart. Muscles of the stomach, intestine, blood vessels, uterus, etc. are called smooth muscles. They carry out many vital functions of our body such as breathing, movement of alimentary canal, etc. How do muscles perform their function? For the body movement, muscles, they always work in group. So when some muscles undergo contraction, other muscles of the same group show relaxation. With this alternating action, the muscles, they work in coordination to perform various functions of a body. Here is an activity. Hold your arm straight at the elbow, that is 180 degrees, without closing your fist. Bend the arm at the elbow through 90 degree. Touch the shoulder with your fingers on the same side. Muscles of which part of your arm contracted and relaxed during the above three actions? So this is the activity that you can actually do on your own and find out where contraction and relaxation is occurring. Use your brain power. What would happen if the cardiac muscles do not move? Of course, if the cardiac muscles do not move, there will be no contraction and relaxation of the heart. So the heart beating will stop. Okay, and there will be no blood supply from the heart to various vital organs like brain, and of course it will lead to death. Next, what would happen if food enters the stomach and the stomach muscles do not move? Of course, if the food enters the stomach and the stomach muscle does not move, then the food will not get properly digested. And of course, if digestion does not occur properly, we will not even feel hungry properly, and the muscles, they will fail, and the proper digestion will not take place. The food will remain in the stomach and get decayed over there, and of course this is going to cause a serious illness and harm to the health. Muscles in the different parts of our body. So here is a picture which depicts all the different types of muscles in the parts of our body. As we have studied, muscles are of three types: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth or involuntary muscles. So with this, today we have studied the muscular system in humans. Muscles are of three main types: skeletal or voluntary muscles, that is those which are under our control, under our will, that is muscles maybe of example is of hands and legs. Cardiac muscles, it is not under our will, it is involuntary. Okay, So, or the cardiac muscles are present around the heart. Smooth or involuntary muscles, they are not under our will. Okay, so go through the part of the chapter covering muscular system, read and understand the different types of muscles. Thank you.